You know that sound, day one in the books. Fiesta 2024 in full swing. And as you know, Fiesta Fiesta is the token event that kicks off the nearly 2-week celebration. And this year, the Texas-sized celebration got a major venue change to the Alamo Dome. KENS 5's Alicia ahhs is live there tonight. Alicia, you've been there most of the day. I hear the music. How's it going out there tonight?
Yeah, you know, it's hard not to shake your hips a little bit. Headliner Zeus El Mero Necio, is right behind me. It is such a fun event. Fiesta Fiesta has everything: the food, the fashion, the medal swaps, and of course, the music. The tower and the Alamo Dome are lit up in Fiesta colors tonight. This is the time of year where people from all over come to San Antonio to party with a purpose. Every Fiesta event gives back to fund scholarships in our community. The jingle of Fiesta medals filled the air outside the Dome Thursday.
We're all done with the jet lag from COVID, and we're ready to fiesta and party and be and see what I mean?
It's the first day of Fiesta 2024.
I am your new Riverwalk Prince.
Fiesta royalty graced the crowds.
About $76,000 goes directly to the San Antonio Hospitality for Scholarships.
Fiesta fashions blend pop culture with la cultura.
My mom is Hello Kitty. I am Karopi, her little froggy friend.
The diehards know the Fiesta fit isn't exclusive to the headwear. It extends from head to toe.
Our medal, our t-shirts, our fans, and our Fiesta hats. So the theme this year was Hello Fiesta.
Every year, Fiesta Couture gets more elaborate. The show-stopping pieces get bigger and better.
We were still working on them till like an hour before we came over
we
here.
were already putting lights on them, so literally the last minute.
Darth, what are you doing here at Fiesta?
Game medals.
It's all part of our interpretation of our culture and heritage. For so many, Fiesta is a tradition.
I was here at Nyosa, my first Nyosa, in 1968.
What was once hosted in front of the Alamo, Hemisphere, and Travis Park found a new home this year. No matter where Fiesta Fiesta goes, the colorful crowds will follow.
Viva Fiesta!
Yeah, I think that was my first time seeing a Teletubby at a Fiesta event. You just never know. The fun continues tomorrow with Oyster Bake, Taste of New Orleans. We have Carnival, the official crowning of El Rey Feo, Fiesta de los Reyes. For that full calendar, visit kens5.com. Live downtown, Alicia ahhs, KENS 5.
Oh, we are just getting the party started. Thanks so much.